Hellcat.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Now today, I have my cats and they are watching birds. Now we have Ziggy here, and we have Billy. They are watching birds eat there, so here. Like literally every single day, always here, same spot, both of them, maybe Poppy. They always see birds, and it's just so funny. So I thought, why not film it? So yeah. Like Ziggy, he's just looking at them. Oh, I'm pretty sure they've flown away. But guys, this is it for this video, this lovely cat video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Why don't you like and subscribe to my channel? Hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.